At paano ka napasok sa politika? Because at one point, you were Secretary General, I believe, you can correct me, you were with the camp of President Marcos Jr. And then suddenly you're endorsed by President Duterte. How did you get in the camp of Marcos Jr. and then move?
Yeah, that's a very good question. Di ba si President Marcos, he ran with PFP? Yeah, yung PFP kasi DDS yun eh, organization. And I belong to MMRD, which is very active sa PFP. So when nag-unit team, si Inday Sara ran for vice president. So I was asked to stay sa PFP kasi mostly naman yan mga Duterte, mga DDS yan. So that's how I ended up. But then after they won, so I left PFP kasi hindi kami pinansin, walang nangyayari. So I left and I was asked to join PDP Laban.